Hi, I'm Ende, and I want to show you Tegore, which is a voice-based tutor that I built for helping practicing math problems. So here it is.
Hi, Monday. You have a recipe for cinnamon rolls that uses 2 tablespoons of sugar per teaspoon of cinnamon for the filling. You can see a double number line in the image tab that shows the relationship between cinnamon and sugar. Your task is to fill in the missing values on both number lines. Take a look at the pattern that's already started. What do you notice about the relationship between the cinnamon and sugar amounts?
I can see that if I have 0 teaspoons of cinnamon, then I need 0 teaspoons of sugar.
That's a good start. You're right that 0 teaspoons of cinnamon means 0 tablespoons of sugar. Now look at the next values that are already filled in. What pattern do you see between the amount of cinnamon and the amount of sugar?
I see that if I have 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, then I need 2 teaspoons of sugar. Is that right?
Yes, exactly right. For every 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, you need 2 tablespoons of sugar. Now that you've identified the pattern, can you use it to fill in the missing values on the double number line? Try clicking on one of the blank spots to enter a value.
Okay. Is
Great. Go ahead and click on any blank spot on the double number line to fill in a value. Which one would you like to try first?
I'm clicking on 3 for the number of teaspoons for cinnamon, and I think the answer for number of teaspoons for sugar is 6.
Perfect. If 1 teaspoon of cinnamon needs 2 tablespoons of sugar, then 3 teaspoons of cinnamon needs 6 tablespoons of sugar. You multiplied correctly. Now try filling in another blank. What about the value at position 4?
So it's 4 for the cinnamon, and I think it's 8 for the sugar, or actually, maybe it's 9.
You had it right the first time. 4 teaspoons of cinnamon needs 8 tablespoons of sugar. Remember, you're multiplying the cinnamon amount by 2 each time. Now there's just one more position to fill. What about position 5?
I think it's going to be 5, and 5.
Not quite. Remember the pattern. For every teaspoon of cinnamon, you need 2 tablespoons of sugar. So you multiply the cinnamon amount by 2. If you have 5 teaspoons of cinnamon, how many tablespoons of sugar would you need?
Okay, so if I multiply 5 by 2, so that will be 10.
Exactly right. 5 teaspoons of cinnamon needs 10 tablespoons of sugar. Excellent work. You've completed the entire double number line and found all the equivalent ratios. You correctly identified that the relationship is to multiply the cinnamon amount by 2 to get the sugar amount.
Thank you.